How are you today? Great! I am wonderful. Very good. Today we will learn the letter K. K, K, K. Yes, very good. Let's say big K, small k, 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 k. Big K, small k, 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 k. Very good. So let's get started. K, k, kitten, kitten, k, k, kitten. K, k, koala, 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 k, k, koala. K, k, kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo. K, k, king, king, king. K, k, kiss, kiss, kiss. K, k, kick, kick, kick. K, k, kick. K, k, kiwi, kiwi, kiwi. K, k, kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. K, k, kitchen. K, k, kettle, kettle, kettle. K, k, kites, kites, kites. K, k, kites. K, k, key, key, key. K, k, key. Woo! Great job! You learned the k words. Excellent! Let's say it is, it is, it is, it is, it is, it is. Very good. Question 1. What is it? It is a kiwi. It is a koala. Kiwi, koala. Yes, it is a koala. Koala, koala. Excellent. Question 2. What is it? It is a kitten. It is a kite. Kitten, kite. Kitten. Very good. It is a kitten. Kitten, kitten, kitten. Yes. What is it? It is a kitten. It is a kangaroo. Kitten, kangaroo. Yes. Kangaroo. Very good. It is a kangaroo. It is a kangaroo. Yes, kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo. Yay! Excellent work today. I will see you next time. Goodbye.